Hello, and welcome back to Riff Script Presents All Fingers and Thumbs. Well, कुछ लोग जो भूल गए हो शायद, तो उनको मैं बता दूं, All Fingers and Thumbs means naive. उसका मतलब in the phase of learning या तो फिर नया, राइट? तो मतलब चीज ये है कि हम लोग हमारा जो मोटिव, मेरा और जैनिश और जो दूसरी टीम है रिफ स्क्रिप्ट की, उनका मोटिव यही है कि जो लोग उनके ग्रोइंग फेज में हैं और कुछ अच्छा करना चाहते हैं, be it for society, be it for people, be it for themselves, we reach out to them and then we request them कि अगर वो हमारे पॉडकास्ट में आना चाहते हैं कि नहीं. एंड टिल डेट वी हैव बीन लकी इनफ के जिन जिन को हमने अप्रोच किया है उन्होंने मना नहीं किया. जैसे वो रिकी पॉन्ट का पॉडकास्ट था, द डांसिंग डेड, राइट? ही मैनेज्ड टू जॉइन अस फ्रॉम यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. तो वैसे ही आज जो हमारा पॉडकास्ट है, इट इज समथिंग यूनिक. वैसे जेनिश, हमारे सभी पॉडकास्ट यूनिक ही होते हैं, राइट?
Obviously, yes.
बट इट इज समथिंग यूनिक इन टर्म्स ऑफ जो आज के जो आज की जनरेशन फेस कर रही है, दैट इज स्पेस एंड द एनवायरमेंट, द वर्क एनवायरमेंट इश्यूज, राइट? सो लाइक हम सबको मालूम है, इफ वी गो टू मुंबई, इट इज अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव प्लेस. तो अगर कोई मिडिल क्लास बंदा अपना बिजनेस सेटअप करना चाहे और ऐसा अगर उसका सपना हो कि मुझे एक मेरा ऑफिस होना चाहिए, बीट अ स्मॉल स्टार्टअप जैसे रिफ स्क्रिप्ट है. रिफ स्क्रिप्ट इज अ स्टार्टअप और वो अपने इनिशियल ग्रोइंग फेज में है. तो राइट नाउ बीइंग अ बुटस्ट्रैप स्टार्टअप, बुटस्ट्रैप क्या है वो भी हम लोग आगे आपको पॉडकास्ट में बताएंगे, बुटस्ट्रैप मेथड क्या है, तो वो उसके लिए आपको आगे देखना पड़ेगा ऑब्वियसली. तो राइट नाउ व्हाट वी राइट नाउ हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि घर बैठे हम लोग हमारा ये जो स्टार्टअप है वो रन कर रहे हैं, राइट? बट ऐसा ही एक कंसेप्ट है को वर्किंग स्पेस. वेल, कोवर्किंग स्पेस क्या है वो जैनिश बताएंगे आपको. जैनिश, प्लीज डू दी ऑनर्स.
तो जनरली ऐसा होता है कि आजकल के टाइम में जहाँ पर देर इज अ कंजेशन ऑफ स्पेस, राइट? और बहुत कुछ ऐसा हो गया कि सब सब स्टार्टअप्स यहाँ पर इंडिया में ग्रोइंग फेज में है और सबको अपनी अपनी ऑफिसेज चाहिए. तो और अगर कोई बूटस्ट्रैप मेथड में काम कर रहा है जिनके जिनके लिए फंडिंग, एक्सटर्नल फंडिंग पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो इनिशियली उनको अगर ऑफिस भी चाहिए, तो ऐसा अगर कोई आइडिया हो कि जिसमें जहाँ पर शेयर्ड स्पेस हो, जहाँ पर को वर्किंग स्पेस हो, जहाँ पर मल्टीपल लोग अलग अलग कंपनीज काम कर पाए और उनको अपनी खुद की स्पेस के लिए एक्स्ट्रा स्पेंड भी ना करना पड़े, तो वैसा ही एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है कोवर्किंग स्पेस का, कि जहाँ पर आप जो स्पेस होती है वहां पर अलग अलग डिवीजन होता है, मीटिंग रूम्स होते हैं, कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम्स होते हैं और अपनी अपने लिए वर्किंग डेस्क भी होते हैं अलग अलग. तो आप और आपकी टीम पूरी वहां पर काम कर सकते हैं बहुत इजीली और बहुत ही कम एक्सपेंडिचर के साथ. तो बहुत ही वो इजी हो जाता है स्टार्टअप्स के लिए, टू टू वर्क एंड टू ग्रो. तो so we have invited one of the co-founders of such co-working space, which is called Open Workspace. It is located in Vadodara, and they have this very unique idea of creating a shared space. Along with that, they also believe in giving a lot of platforms to various artists. So every now and then during every weekends, or yes, so every weekends they do organize various workshops, in which they invite different artists, and they also help people like us, who are not artists and who want to learn something. They also get something to something to cherish and something to learn, and the artist also gets a platform, right? People get to know about their art, people get to know about them. So that's how their philosophy is. And so let's welcome Shaimi Javeri, also Shaimi Shah, yes, one of the co-founders of Open Workspace.
Hi Shami, how are you?
I am good.
पहले तो लाइक दिस कंसेप्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस उसके लिए कि ये कंसेप्ट जो है को वर्किंग स्पेस, आई मीन मुझे आज तक नहीं मालूम था कि ये चीज वडोदरा में भी एग्जिस्ट करती है. तो उसके लिए आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट. एंड आप बता सकते हैं व्हाट इज को वर्किंग स्पेस फॉर यू, एंड व्हाई डिड यू स्टार्ट दिस थिंग?
Okay, so that is a little bit of a thoda lamba story hai, but I will like just try putting it briefly. So what happened is like हम लोग जब कॉलेज में थे तब हमको है ना बहुत सारी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज करने का मन होता था, but we were never really able to do it. once we got out of, because of the rigorous course that we were studying architecture, तो उसकी वजह से opportunities बहुत थी, but we couldn't really make use of it. तो what we did was, and then जब ये lockdown आया तब ऐसा हुआ था that we had come across a competition called Workspaces for Tomorrow, which we had signed up for a long time ago. फिर एकदम से हमको याद है कि यार इस पे काम करना है, और हम लोगों का ऐसा सीन होता है कि डेडलाइन होती है तो ही वी कैन वर्क. So we were like कि okay, Workspaces Tomorrow had a really nice brief. It was very open for everything. Like ऐसा नहीं था कि हमेशा जैसे डिजाइन कंपटीशन होता है ऐसा एक सेट प्लान कर लो और दे दो. It had a very क्या बोलते हैं ऐसा free kind of a submission का profile. So उसमें कैसा था, you could make a collage, you could make a portrait, you could make a painting, you could make an actual plan, or you can just give a concept. And what we thought was ki, okay, let's brainstorm a little and understand what is the need of the hour here, because if we think about it globally तो बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही थी, but हमको बड़ौदा में क्या था जो हम लोगों को दे तो शायद उनको कुछ नया मिले, like giving back to the city kind of a thing is what we had in mind. And we weren't sure if people would be able to accept it or like really get into it or understand it right away. So we were like, let's give this a try, देखते तो है. तो co-working ऐसा था कि हमको हमारे दिमाग में जैसे सब अलग co-working हो रही है उस तरह से we did not want to start it. We wanted to make it very niche specific because we realized that जो एक क्रिएटिव फ्रेटर्निटी के लोग हैं वो लोग निकलते हैं ना जब कॉलेज से और एस्टैब्लिश करते हैं खुद को मार्केट में, वो वाला फेज बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट होता है उनके लिए, because either it's like you take up a job or you become like a faculty at a college. But if you're choosing and opting for a freelance thing, then to have your own network and to get work and get people to trust you that आपका काम अच्छा होगा, it's very hard. So we wanted to establish a platform where we could bring together these people, like students भी आए और professionals भी आए. तो वो जो पूरा स्पेक्ट्रम है हमने फिल्टर वो लगाया कि स्टूडेंट से लेके प्रोफेशनल्स आने चाहिए बट सब क्रिएटिव फ्रेटर्निटी के आने चाहिए. तो कैसा है कि देयर कुड बी ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स, देयर कुड बी इलस्ट्रेटर्स, फोटोग्राफर्स, आर्टिस्ट्स, राइटर्स, आर्किटेक्ट्स, डिजाइनर्स, एनीबडी, but entirely a thriving community of creative individuals who can like kind of connect together, understand what they are doing, like each other and learn from each other, and then kind of like talk about their work and showcase their work, and then form like a networking base. तो हमको जो शायद हमें लगा कि it lagged for us after college, we wanted to make it up for the rest of the people like who are kind of now going to come out of college eventually, कि उनके लिए ऐसा वो वैक्यूम ना बन जाए कि अभी क्या करें, ऐसा लॉस्ट जोन ना आए. So that is where this kind of a space is what we thought could come in, that it's like you can come here and work, you can engage with other people in the different events that happen here and kind of get to know more people. So that is kind of what we had in mind for co-working. Not just सभी professionals आए, startups आए काम किया जो अलग है दूसरे co-workings that are already operating उससे ऐसा था.
So when you thought about this niche, right, that you wanted to create a platform for various artists and other people, so you could also you could have done the same without creating the co-working space. So why did you choose to go with the co-working space? You could have done the same
No,
thing.
and yeah, so हमने what we did was, when we started off, we did not realize that we will be eventually introducing all these other events the way they have been introduced now. So पहले ऐसा था कि पहले एक जगह तो दे लोगों को आने के लिए और काम करने के लिए, एक दूसरे को जानने के लिए. उसके बाद we realized कि probably more engagement can also come if we let all these people actually even come and teach, because there were so many people who needed a space where they could teach the skills that they have learned. So that's when the artists and the workshops started happening. Artists started coming in and the workshops started happening. And then उसके बाद हमको पता चला कि okay, there's like a large portion of people in Baroda, especially because fine arts है ये वो है. तो उसकी वजह से कि they are willing to kind of do this, but they don't really have a proper space to do it. So that's when ये आया कि okay. और हमको खुद को भी ऐसा था because like the three of us were are architects. तो उसमें ऐसा था that there are so many elective courses that we do. Like there's pottery, there's ceramics, and there's woodwork and cement and this and that. So we were like, we wanted to introduce those workshops as well, because that when you are doing a semester, you're not really going to be able to do all the electives simultaneously. You might miss out on one or the other thing. So what if वो किसी को जानना है, तो वो भी हमको eventually, you know, it's like introduce करना है कि not just art and painting and everything, but the things that and the products that you know you kind of design, you put time in, and you know you kind of um the products that are related and associated also with this kind of, you know, field and of work related to architecture and everything. तो वो भी हमको करना था. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि हमको सिर्फ आर्ट वर्कशॉप से ऐसा था. It's just through that there were a lot of other people coming in. Like we had archaeologists and we had lawyers and doctors and, you know, just coming down to our place to kind of chill for an afternoon or for an evening and do a workshop, relax and like go. So then we realized कि लोगों को चाहिए. तो फिर उसके बाद हम लोग थोड़ा उसको पुश करने लगे ज्यादा.
अच्छा.
The idea.
So actually, I learned about co-working spaces through this American unicorn that was WeWork, and it was all over the place, right? That they've got a lot of funding and they are doing this, they are doing that,
Yeah.
and suddenly their valuation came down to zero out of nowhere
Yeah.
because of their some mismanagement or something.
Yeah.
So how did you learn from that unicorn, or did you take an inspiration from any other such startups which were already working on co-working spaces or shared spaces?
So for us, this open workspace wasn't really a plan. Okay, it was just spontaneously एकदम instinct वाला decision ले लिया था कि बस करना है, because this completely came out of a proposal that we had in mind for the competition. तो we were like यार इसको project को बना के मतलब ये जो भी sketches है वो करके चले, you know, we'll just go, we'll submit it. And then we were just, the three of us were talking, and the talking one, like conversation one led to another, and we were like, no, but why are we not making this here? प्रपोजल बाजू में रखते हैं, पहले यहाँ पे तो इसको क्रिएट करने का ट्राई करें. एंड इट वाज वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियस. सो लाइक 16th December we had decided कि 16 January हमको चालू कर देना है. So we did not really have a lot of bigger consideration and plan in mind. We just wanted to execute the idea right away and to see how the people respond to it. So what happened is that हम लोगों का जो अभी the residence that like me and Urmil live in, उसपे ही the first floor was actually made into a private office for our business. ऐसा था. And then what we realized was a part of it actually had the potential of being converted into a space that we could experiment with. तो हमने क्या किया कि उसी space को हम लोगों ने as a co-working space थोड़ा स्लाइटली रीमोल्ड एंड रेनोवेट तो नहीं बोल सकते, बट थोड़ा एडिशन डाल के उसके अंदर ही वी काइंड ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड आवर प्लान. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वर लाइक, यू नो, फर्स्ट लेट्स एक्सपेरिमेंट. लोगों को पहले पता तो चले ये आइडिया कैसे लोग, you know, how are they kind of accepting it, and if they are really willing to do this, like is Baroda ready, ऐसा हमारा बड़ा question था. उसके बाद we do the moving out and, you know, make it big kind of a thing. So first of all, so that's why we did not have like we did not do the funding part or investing and everything. It was all by ourselves. ऐसा था हमारा खुद का ही अभी we started off doing it. Yeah.
Okay. मतलब you guys अभी के लिए you are not looking for any investors or as such, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, right?
Right now, no. But I
Okay.
think if we consider the possibility of like moving out of this space and kind of making it a little bigger, obviously, so tab, yeah, definitely, tab will be
Uh,
doing
how was your experience? मतलब ये जो स्टार्टअप ऑब्वियसली अपने बिजनेस रजिस्ट्रेशन और वो सब किया होगा, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस क्या था? मतलब जब मैंने और जनिश ने पॉडकास्ट किया था, वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस थिंग, बट देन आई आल्सो वांट टू हियर एनी थर्ड पर्सन सेइंग दिस कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? वाज इट स्मूथ और hectic, or what was like it?
It was hectic. It was definitely hectic, yeah, because we come from a completely different background. हम लोगों को business के aspect से it's like 1% we did not know. ऐसा scene था. तो we had
Okay.
to kind of first of all understand how we would do the pricing, and then understand how we'll get to the, like literal terms like even break even and stuff, they were like so new for us. So
Hmm.
there were times when we would sit with my father or sit with my sister who's studying BBA, who's like younger than me, and I'd be like, please yaar mujhe help kar de, iska kya, how do we get through this whole thing? So it was like हम लोग साथ साथ वो भी पढ़ने लगे थे कि
Okay.
ये चलाने का कैसे, मतलब ऐसा we had taken a full वो क्या बोलते हैं, that
फाइनेंशियल
full
कोर्स।
form में जोश में we had
लाई
started
घोड़ो ने
it,
कार वर घोड़ो।
but but yeah, to get into the whole finance of it, it was like, my God, ये क्या है? And technicalities, oh my God, I personally am not into it, but Urmil and Sagar are quite good with it. So then we also sat with like our CA and kind of worked out stuff, what works better, what doesn't, where we were going wrong. So yeah, it was quite a nice learning experience, but it was fun. Overall, it was nice. We just, again, the whole idea behind it, we came to know something new, so it was okay. It was
Yeah.
nice.
And then how was the आपने ये जो आपका जो खुद का जो ये स्टार्टअप है उसको नाम कैसे दिया है? व्हाट इज द बैक स्टोरी है? वो ब्रीफ में
That
जानना है
was
मुझे।
that was a different thing. So what happened is, we are used to brainstorming a lot, okay, because of college work and assignments also. So that is something that we totally love doing. So हमने क्या किया, एक पूरा ऐसा बड़ा टेबल पे स्प्रेडशीट डाला प्रॉपर, and we all took our markers in hands, and whatever words came up, we just put them down. We are like,
Okay.
हम लोग इसको combine करना है, individual रखना है, जो करना है, we'll just figure it out. Let's just put everything that is coming down on paper. And for at least I think 3 to 5 hours we were just like kind of understanding कि कौन से work करेंगे, कौन से नहीं करेंगे, कौन से लिए जा रहे हैं, कौन से नहीं है. And then we would look up things on the internet. We were like, अरे यार, this is also taken, this combination is also, that is also done. And we were like, यार इसका नाम मिलेगा या नहीं? It's like every word we came up with, the smallest or longest word, it was all just taken all over the world. And we were like, ये मतलब लोगों ने राइट में जाके रखा है, in the world of co-working and everything. So then finally these two words somehow set for us after doing multiple combinations of different stuff, and then we came down to this. But it was quite a nice brainstorming we had. I think we might have the paper probably somewhere in the corner of where we had done that, but yeah, बहुत काफी अच्छा था.
मतलब ये चीज मैंने भी सबकॉन्शियसली आई हैव सीन दिस थिंग और कहीं सुना भी होगा, बट मुझे जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में कहा बड़ौदा में भी ये चीज है, आई डिडंट नो, राइट? तो I want to know, मतलब आई एम क्यूरियस, आई नो दीज क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट इन आवर लिस्ट जो हम लोग मैं अभी पूछ रहा हूँ, बट देन आई एम क्यूरियस अबाउट द फैक्ट कि ये चीज आई कहाँ से? मतलब ऐसा तो कौन बंदा था? जैसे ग्राम बेल ने टेलीफोन इन्वेंट किया, तो कोवर्किंग स्पेस ये टर्म, ये कॉन्सेप्ट किसने इन्वेंट किया?
Yeah.
who was that guy? I mean, guy or a girl, anyone?
So I recently read up where this came from, and I came to know कि there's this guy called Brad Newberg. उसने 2005 में ऐसा ये चालू किया था कि उसको कैसा था, that he had worked alone also by himself, and he had done a job also, but he was unhappy with both the things. So he was like, this is not working because मुझे ऐसा नहीं, कुछ set नहीं हो रहा. What he wanted was, and I quote, the freedom and independence of working for himself along with the structure and community of working with others. That is what he had in mind, and that is how the concept of co-working had emerged. He was just like कि नहीं, मुझे ये दोनों का best of both worlds type का scene चाहिए, so what can I do? उससे it started, and then he came to know that there was another guy who had started an institute called Co-working Institute. But that
Okay.
was, और उसको क्या हुआ था when he wanted to kind of introduce the term co-working, he realized someone else had already coined the term, somewhere, but that was on a completely different idea. So उसमें ऐसा था that guy who had started co-working institute was trying to increase awareness of collaborative work techniques and technologies. So those were two different ideas which kind of had the similar name. And so that had happened, and उसने क्या किया था that he got in touch with this space called Spiral Muse. The first co-working I read was, it had started in San Francisco, and उसने ऐसा किया था कि he just like uh, it was quite low key at that moment. He just wanted to see if this idea worked or not. So उसने वो थोड़ा ऐसा space rent out किया, और वहां पे वो फोल्डिंग टेबल्स होते हैं बिकॉज ही कैन नॉट कीप द फर्नीचर परमानेंटली देयर. तो जो लोग ओनर्स थे उन्होंने बोला हाँ इतने के टाइम के लिए यू कैन सेट इट अप, व्हेन यू लीव यू कैन टेक इट अवे. So he would do that almost every week, and he would patiently sit and wait. Like काफी लोग की मार्केटिंग था तो सब लोगों को बहुत पता नहीं था, तो पहले महीने तक तो कोई आया ही नहीं था. उसके बाद he started handing out flyers and cards and going to coffee shops and talking to people about the idea and everything. And then eventually once लोगों को पता चला कि okay this is what this is about, फिर it started erupting all over. ऐसा mushrooms की तरह लोगों को ये कॉन्सेप्ट जैसे जैसे समझ आया ना, उस तरह से फिर there were some people who would just come and look at the space, but they would not really rent it right away. They would just want to understand how the space worked. Then there were some who helped them kind of build a community online, कि लोगों को
Mm-hmm.
online भी connect करके make them feel like they are a part of a bigger group kind of a thing. And then several months later उनके जो 2-3 ऐसे associates हो गए थे co-workers में, उन लोगों ने सब मिलके प्रॉपर एक लार्जर कोवर्किंग स्पेस एस्टैब्लिश किया व्हिच वाज कॉल्ड द हैट फैक्ट्री. और ये हुआ उसके बाद इट स्टार्टेड काइंड ऑफ कमिंग अप एवरीवेयर. लाइक जर्मनी में आया, फिर मतलब यूरोप साइड काफी जगह पे आने लगा, फिर इंडिया में इट हैड, आई थिंक द first one that I had read up was like quite recent. It was called the Hive or something. But फिर इंडिया में आने लगा, and then this trend caught up very quickly. It had started up for smaller groups like startups and things, but eventually even bigger corporates started taking a lot of interest in it. और उसके बाद they started investing, and they started like these huge companies and people started renting out these spaces because it became very convenient to keep all their employers. मतलब कहीं से भी कोई भी काम कर सकता है आपके लिए, ऐसा जो कॉन्सेप्ट था वो लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आया. एंड उसके बाद उसकी डिजाइन में वो लोगों ने इनोवेट किया. They made it more inclusive in terms of the kind of amenities they started offering. So over a period of like 2005 से चालू हुआ, and 2018 2019 तक it was like just all over the world. बहुत ज्यादा एकदम से उस सेक्टर में it had like boomed, ऐसा हुआ था. And
Okay.
yeah, it has reached Baroda now, but I think it will be good.
I was about to
Janish,
ask you
what are
that.
your
I was about to ask you this. When you started this in Vadodara, you said that there is a lot to do with the art and crafts stuff, right? There are a lot of artists available in Vadodara, so they want platform, and eventually it works out for you, right? That you can provide a platform. But apart from that events that you organize or the workshops that you organize, this is still new for people, right? People still do not understand the concept of co-working as such in Vadodara. So how do you
Yeah,
deal with that?
we try to bombard them with messages and rigorously actively work on our social media to make to appeal to them more and more. Try and bring out different activities that we are going to be introducing. It's like abhi tak workshops काफी हो रही है, but we want to do that. Like there's like movie screening ka space hai. So that is something we want to introduce and we want to start. We did like a couple of things last year, but after the lockdown we have not done that yet. तो वो था. उसके बाद it's like lecture. So another thing that we wanted to do through this platform is again that the people that fall from graduate recently to an established person wala category, they really need a space where they can showcase their work and get more people to know about it. It's like आप लोग कॉलेज से निकलो, आपका जो खुद का एक प्रोबेबली रिलेटिव्स होंगे, कजिन्स होंगे, फ्रेंड्स होंगे, कॉलेज के पीपल, कलीग्स होंगे, बट उसके अलावा जो लोगों को आपका काम पता चलना चाहिए वो कैसे पता चलेगा? बिकॉज बड़े लोगों को सब बुलाते हैं बातें करने के लिए,
हाँ
बट व्हाट अबाउट दीज पीपल हु रियली नीड people to know about them. Matlab, all the renowned magazines, all the big newspapers, everybody, media, God knows, सब लोग बातें करेंगे with the very established people because of their experience, because of the years of work they have put in. Everything is fine. But इन लोगों को boost तभी मिलेगा और motivation तभी मिलेगा ना जब उनका भी recognition मिलेगा कि okay, yeah, this is the kind of work that I want to be done, then I'll be able to connect to this person. वो जो एक प्लेटफॉर्म आता है, दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी वांटेड टू क्रिएट हियर. तो उसी वजह से इट्स लाइक वी वांट टू गिव दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एनीवन हु थिंक्स कि मुझे मेरा काम दिखाना है लोगों को. आप भी लोगों को लाओ, हम भी लोगों को लाएंगे, एंड टुगेदर a lot of people come to know about each other's work. So that is one thing that I think can work, because एंड ऑफ द डे सबको काम करना है, सबको पैसे कमाने हैं. तो इवेंचुअली तो लोग आएंगे यहाँ पे, इफ दे आर गेटिंग अ नेटवर्क एंड इफ दे आर गेटिंग टू नो मोर पीपल सिंपली बाय कमिंग टू अ स्पेस एंड काइंड ऑफ जस्ट मीटिंग देम. तो उसमें तो या आई मीन आप कैफे जाते ही हो, बट कैफे जाके आप रैंडम लोगों के साथ बात नहीं कर सकते. इट्स लाइक ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल बैठे हैं, तो यू आर नॉट लाइक obliged to go and talk to them. Here probably that will become a little bit of a challenge, but it will also be fruitful because they'll come to know so much more about others living right around them. ऐसा.
मतलब नेटवर्किंग भी बढ़ता है बेसिकली इस चीज से, राइट?
Yeah, it's like it we need to encourage students also to understand कि सब कुछ competition की तरह मत देखो, collaboration देखो. Like if this student is from this college and that is from that college, तो हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ बात नहीं करते. हाँ, ये तो ऐसा ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It's like आप एक दूसरे के साथ क्या सीख सकते हो वो ज्यादा मैटर करता है एंड ऑफ द डे.
हमारी कॉलेज में तो इंजीनियरिंग वाले आर्किटेक्चर वालों से बात नहीं करते थे.
नहीं, उल्टा था.
कॉलेज की क्या बात कर रहे हो?
we were actually like that. We were very biased, and I couldn't believe it, because after this happened, I was like, holy crap, that was very judgmental and bad of us to do that. But yeah, we were all like that, yeah. And people generally from the design category, where so design is something which is completely your own. वो creativity खुद की होती है. So you're in complete ownership of what you do. उसकी वजह से लोगों को खुद के बारे में इतना वो मतलब क्या बोलते हैं ऐसा, they stay in a certain kind of an air about themselves, मैंने ऐसा किया है, कोई और ऐसा नहीं कर सकता, kind of a thing they have in mind, because of which they don't kind of interact a lot. And that is not okay. Design is also free, so if you interact more and if you get good constructive criticism from people or suggestions and kind of take it, then it's okay. You don't have to always be in the whole sense of भाई मैंने किया वो सही, ऐसा नहीं होता. So that is a kind of mentality that we want to kind of promote and let more people make more people aware about it, कि ऐसे भी देख सकते हैं, different perspective to the same thing, kind of a thing.
और उसमें एक और पॉइंट ऐसा भी होता है ना कि अगर मैंने कुछ क्रिएट किया है तो मैं आइडिया भी होता है. जनरली स्टार्टअप्स के लिए भी ऐसा ही होता है कि अगर मेरे पास कोई आइडिया है तो मैं लोगों को नहीं बताऊंगा. अगर मेरा आइडिया किसी ने ले लिया तो वो भी होता है. लेकिन मतलब ऐसा होना चाहिए कि अगर आपके पास कोई आइडिया है, अगर आपको उसको फ्रूटफुल बनाना है, उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना है, तो आपके पास लोग तो होने चाहिए ना जिनको आप पूछ सको, आपके पास उनके ओपिनियंस हो. आपका आइडिया कोई चोरी भी कर लेगा तो वो सेम नहीं बना पाएगा जो आप बना पाओगे. अगर कोई डिजाइन है, कोई आर्ट वर्क है, कुछ भी.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
क्योंकि आपका विजन आपका ही रहेगा. और दूसरा जो आपने बताया ना कि established लोगों को ही सब, तो we also discussed this on Harshvardhan's podcast that you can only get media attention when you have this large amount of funding, or when you have done something that is out of the box, and then media gives attention to your work, right? Other than that, you are nobody. So for those people who are starting out, or who are working on something but who do not have that much amount of funding or that much amount of leverage to go out and to tell people that yes coverage,
Yeah.
give us some coverage and we have done this, we have done that. So for those people, these kind of co-working or shared spaces are really useful, right? They can get a lot of
Yeah.
networking, and they can advance in their art and their work, right? So in this way,
True.
co-working
Very
spaces
true.
are really, we can say that in the future, when we are coming out of our houses, right, we are working from home right now, but when we are coming out of this, there will be need for these co-working spaces, because it is quite inexpensive, plus it gives opportunity for networking. So there are two benefits there. So I
Yeah.
guess we do have this a lot of we do have a lot of opportunities for this stuff.
Yeah, and you know what? So like a lot of other, there are so many big, like really big co-working spaces. जो लोग क्या करते हैं कि वो जो startups भी, अगर groups of people who want to do a startup come there, they provide funds to them as well. ऐसे भी होते हैं. So that
Mhm.
increases the opportunity of these people coming in even more, because they
Yes,
are funding them, you know. कि okay,
yes.
you're coming here to work, then you know we'll provide you, or they'll connect them to other people who might be able to fund them. So वो एक पूरा अलग, you know, उनको एक
Hmm.
खुल गया है, एक डोर कि ऐसा भी वो लोग ऑप्ट कर सकते
Yes,
हैं.
yes, right, right.
So yeah, co-working
Okay.
spaces in general, like ये सारी जो एकदम बहुत big scale पे तो जो लोग ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, those people are तो like they are just, they have, so I read up something very cool, that there was something that was introduced called a co-working visa. So
Okay.
whichever spaces have their franchisees or like their hubs all over like globally, तो उनको ऐसा है कि आप कहीं पे भी जाओ तो वहां पे हमारा ये स्पेस आप यूज कर सकते हो, इस तरह का वो लोग एक
Oh, okay.
बेनिफिट वो दे देते हैं. It's like
Wow.
a
Acha.
club membership or something, you
हाँ.
know. I mean, I don't know what that exact term is, but like they provide that as well.
Wow.
कि आप दिल्ली में हो, बॉम्बे में हो, यूरोप में हो, कहीं पे भी हो, पर हमारा वहां पे स्पेस है तो आप वहां जाके ये कर सकते हैं. That's like so cool, यार. They are making it like work, to be able to do
Flexible.
work available everywhere. It's amazing. The
We can
whole
hope,
concept and the idea behind this is just like
the same for open workspace in next 5 to 10 years.
thank you.
नहीं नहीं, नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 क्या, मैं तो ऐसा होप करूंगा कि लाइक इन अपकमिंग नेक्स्ट 2 years यू गाइस go
No,
this from this
the membership thing I'm talking about. I'll be the
सब
first
कुछ.
member.
Yes.
Rifscript will be the first member.
Yes, no, that's what I was going to ask. Janish, have you tried this open workspace, or are you looking forward to try this thing?
Yes, we are really looking forward, but till now we are dealing with the pandemic. So once we get over this, then we'll definitely work on this.
Yeah.
Okay,
True.
that's good.
Maybe
That's
like
good.
we have kept it a little low key because of the
Hmm.
pandemic, because
Yes.
we are not doing a lot of हम लोग co-working भी चलाते हैं kind of a thing right now, because like I said, like residents है ऊपर, cases कभी भी बढ़ रहे हैं और कभी भी like कम
Hmm.
हो रहे हैं, तो like we are a little
हाँ.
paranoid about the whole thing
Hmm.
कि एकदम से if we get like an inflow of people coming in, then वो भी थोड़ा manage करना tough हो जाएगा. So we are
Right.
just
And
like शांति से वो है कि weekend to weekend सब events करने की, but weekdays में full time अभी इतना ज्यादा operational है ऐसा,
Hmm.
we are not putting out the work that much. Yeah.
Hmm.
okay. Hey everyone, thank you for watching this first part. Well, ये पॉडकास्ट हमने 2 पार्ट्स में इसीलिए रखा है क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग था हमारे लिए, और इसमें जो बातें हैं वो काफी इन डेप्थ है. तो वी वांट कि आप लोग भी अच्छा खासा समय लेकर ये पॉडकास्ट देख सके, तो इसीलिए हमने 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. तो दिस वाज द वेरी फर्स्ट पार्ट, बट वी विल बी रिलीजिंग द सेकंड पार्ट सून. बट उसके लिए आपको सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा, बेल आइकन को हिट हिट करना पड़ेगा, तो यू विल गेट द नोटिफिकेशन, राइट. एंड उसके साथ साथ जो हमारी इंस्टाग्राम, लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर, वो सब जो हमारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, वहां पे भी जाके आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं. तो यू विल गेट एन अपडेट, वी विल गिव यू एन अपडेट ओवर आवर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स.